Hey everybody, good morning. It is Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters. Today I'm going to do a quick little review recommendation over a product that was sent to me to try out and in exchange to keep it. This is a battery from GoldenMate. This is the model LiFePO4 It is a 12.8 volt, 100 amp hour, 1280 kilowatt hour LiFePO lithium battery. I'm going to be using this on a trolling motor on my smaller flats boat, and if you're looking for a great battery, you can't go wrong. And the nice thing about this is anybody that's out there that's fishes, I'm a charter boat captain, so I use trolling motors and batteries a lot. And back in the day we had the heavy wet cells and the AGMs. So this is what's going to surprise you right here by watching this battery. A lot of people are like, yeah, I fish, I got batteries. I know what you're talking about. Watch this. Look at that. Are you going to do that with an old wet cell? No. These things are insane light. Thousands and thousands of cycles you can go through. Charging voltage on this one is 14.4 volts, so you'll need, make sure your charger that you get is correct. Charge current is 20 amp, 50 amp max. 100 amp discharge, and it's got a built-in BMS battery management system. So these things are insane good. You can't go wrong. Again, I'm a professional fishing guide, so I can definitely attest to batteries and uses and whether you use them on a boat. I'm attesting to using it on a boat. So if you're looking for something great, you got to get you one of these. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.